Hey there, I just want to challenge you guys today to set goals. What are you working for? What are you about? So many of us just wake up, roll out of bed, go to work, come back bitter, angry, just not complacent. Don't stop until you find your passion, that thing that really lights you up. I promise you, the universe will always catch you. Seek to be happy and joyful. Get out of yourself and volunteer, help others. You'll be amazed at how it could change your mood. But at the very least, be kind and loving to yourself and others. Every time I wake up, before I see clients, I say, my job is to be kind and loving to myself. And if I am, then that sends out the energy to be kind and loving to others, and it's just felt. So if somebody says that they don't like me, it's not personal. It just hit a button that is personal to them. We have to stop personalizing and just realize we're all in this together. There's so much going on in this world today. So much child trafficking and the fires in Maui and stuff that's going on in Israel. We've got to have a heart for humanity and treat each other kinder. So let's try that.